While flying cars make headlines, the Bionic M team quietly leads in prosthetic innovations. Originating from Japan, they are innovators in a groundbreaking prosthetic category. Their creation, Bio, is distinctive for being a prosthetic leg equipped with a microprocessor-driven joint and sensors that operate at a rate of 200 times per second. This advanced technology enables users to engage in various activities, including walking upstairs, getting up from chairs, and relying on the prosthetic leg for support. The BioLeg is capable of supporting weights of up to 125 kilograms and has an impressive 16-hour battery life on a single charge. Mercedes-Benz Vision Van. One such future concept vehicle is the Mercedes-Benz Vision Van, which integrates cutting-edge technology for use in city delivery services. Electric propulsion, a state-of-the-art cargo area, and an integrated drone system allow it to make deliveries without human intervention. Driver and passenger comfort, security, and productivity are the primary design goals of the Vision Van. Since the Mercedes-Benz Vision Van is now in its prototype stage, its official pricing has not been revealed. Nevertheless, there are estimates that put the price tag at roughly $100,000. The Mercedes-Benz V-Class, a similarly sized van, is currently on the market, and its pricing is the basis for this. Because it lacks the V-Class's elaborate interior and high-end amenities, the Vision Van might be less expensive. Because of its superior technology and one-of-a-kind design, though, it may also be more costly. Lightsabers are still a distant dream, but a team from the Czech Republic created a knife that cuts without creating a mess. This special knife has a vibrating blade that moves at an incredible 50,000 times per second. This high frequency prevents items like tomatoes and cheeses from sticking to it. The knife is 298 millimeters long, and customers can choose between a 125 millimeters or 150 millimeters blade. A full charge of this innovative tool lasts for 50 minutes, and if you forget to charge it, you can still use it as a regular knife. The company even developed a smartphone app that provides details such as the knife's internal temperature. This unique kitchen tool is priced at $296. This footage shows the Las Vacas River, responsible for carrying about 20,000 tons of plastic into the Caribbean Sea every year. The ocean cleanup effort has targeted the untreated sewage issue stemming from Guatemala. Primarily channeled through the Las Vacas in the Motagua River Basin. Netherlands-based organization, the Ocean Cleanup, stepped in to address this problem. They implemented diverse barrier systems, notably the Interceptor Original, designed to contain up to 10 tons of trash. In the larger Motagua River Basin, these cleanup systems have successfully captured 850 tons of debris. This intervention aims to mitigate the environmental impact of untreated sewage, with a focus on improving the health of water bodies and preventing further pollution. With its upgraded Smart Side Follow system, wireless vector positioning tracking module, and super recognition system, the Unitree Go2 is a superior intelligent bionic quadruped robot. Carrying a cargo of up to 12 kilograms, it can run at speeds of up to 5 mph and climb at angles of up to 40 degrees. In addition, it features a 4D LiDAR L1 with a minimal blind area, a minimum detection distance of as little as 0.05 m, and ultra-wide recognition, with a field of view of 360 degree by 90 degree. Through a mobile app that enables high-definition picture transmission and real-time remote monitoring, it is able to communicate with the user. To further enhance the user experience, it can upgrade its own programs through over-the-air service. Unitree Go2 pricing is model and configuration dependent. Costing $1,600 is the entry-level model, the Go2 Air. Go2 Pro, the most advanced model, is priced at $3,990. Go2, Edu is a $13,900 educational model. In 2036, the yearly airline passengers are projected to reach 7.8 billion. Therefore, companies globally are improving aircraft handling technology to facilitate seamless growth. An excellent illustration is Norway's multi-solution gate, which automates the removal of ice and sand from airplanes, including engine flushing. The founder of MSG Aviation is Svein Gunnar Mæland, and all the IDE came up after his brother missed the Christmas in 2009 due to bad weather conditions and chaos at the de-icing facilities at the airport. He was waiting at the airport, and his brother couldn't make it home for the feast, so he came up with the idea of automatic washing and de-icing machine for aircraft. Anyways, every cloud has a silver lining, and Mr. Gunnar Mæland had a bee in his bonnet of creating a car wash, but for airplanes. In 2025, the Japanese company HW Electro intends to introduce its electric vans to the US market, introducing Puzzle, an angular vehicle set for production in 2025. Marketed as a versatile workhorse, it boasts external sockets and tools, such as a crowbar. The compact Puzzle can handle a payload of 350 kilograms, covering around 200 kilometers on a single charge. With a length of just 3.4 meters, it offers practicality for various tasks. While the cost remains undisclosed by the company, it prompts the question, what would you be willing to pay for this innovative vehicle? Danish company Saga is developing innovations for future space exploration, such as the Luna module Lunark. Saga is a Danish company that operates under a very promising slogan that says, "Our aim is not survival, but to make people thrive." Now, after 3 months of testing in Greenland, the Lunark module has demonstrated resilience in temperatures as low as -45 degrees Celsius, thanks to its origami-like design. During installation, it expands 7.5 times, offering ample space for 2 occupants. The exterior is equipped with solar panels, and a life support system utilizing algae ensures sustainability. The module also boasts a 3D printer on board, enabling the direct printing of essential tools on the Moon, simultaneously maintaining lunar lightweight characteristics. London resident Chris Rogas spent 6 years crafting this water ski, and the result is truly impressive. These skis revolutionize walking on water, marking a groundbreaking achievement. Their potential to captivate sports enthusiasts and tourists is evident, offering a unique perspective while strolling along London's waterways. The skiing experience on these water skis resembles that of regular cross-country skis. Testing has occurred in Heides for the price. You won't be able to buy them for now, as they're not available for purchase yet. Imagine ordering a pizza and it arrives at your doorstep ice cold. Domino's, the leading pizza chain, addressed delivery challenges by introducing the DXB electric bike, designed specifically for couriers. This bike features a built-in oven that maintains the meal at a piping hot 68 degrees Celsius, ensuring it reaches your door in optimal condition. The oven works wonders, keeping the cheese perfectly stretchy and the crust balanced between crispy and tender. Using the G-force system, the oven reduces the pizza's weight by an impressive 67%, ensuring stability during the journey. The bike can transport a substantial 10 kilograms of pizza in one go. This innovative solution enhances the overall delivery experience, maintaining the quality of Domino's pizzas from the oven to your doorstep. If you're into film photography or know someone who is, get ready for this. Swiss innovators at I'm Back have discovered a cost-effective solution for your film camera. By upgrading it with their technology, you can shoot worry-free without the fear of running out of shots. The enhanced camera supports 4K video recording, allowing you to save footage on an SD card or share it via Wi-Fi. Additionally, IMBAC offers presets that replicate the iconic styles of Fujifilm and Kodachrome films. This prominent upgrade is compatible with all 35mm analog cameras and is currently priced at $111. As part of their Kickstarter campaign, making it an affordable choice for photography enthusiasts. Our selection continues with the Indian company CG Solutions. We all know that India is a global leader in arable land, making it a focal point for CG Solutions' agricultural development. Their innovative barrels play a crucial role by transforming organic waste into compost. Each barrel efficiently manages a 26 kilograms load and is adaptable to both automatic and manual control mechanisms. This sustainable solution addresses the need for effective waste management in agriculture. Check out an interesting solution to counter UAVs from the British company OpenWorks Engineering, a SkyWall Patrol grenade launcher with various ammo options. Consider the SP-40 and SP-90 drones. The SP-40 captures and parachutes the drone within a 120 meters range. On the other hand, the SP-90 has a 200 meters range, but lacks parachuting capabilities, causing the drone to crash. Both drones utilize grenade launchers with intelligent software for acquisition, tracking, and firing adjustments. These functions are seamlessly powered by a pneumatic system. Experts predict a global milk shortage of approximately 15 million tons by 2030. To address this, farmers are turning to innovations like the Lely Exos. This automated system gathers fresh grass and provides it to cows, which is 10 to 20% more nutritious than silage. This promotes healthier cows and boosts milk production. The system operates autonomously, harvesting grass from early spring to late fall, reducing the reliance on manual labor. This not only benefits farmers, but also enables them to offer milk at a more affordable price. As a consequence, competitors may also embrace Lely Exos, making it a sustainable feature on future dairy farms. The Belgian team Hexoray aimed to enhance safety by reinventing the life jacket, and they named it the SwimVest. The snug-fitting vest can be worn discreetly under a t-shirt without interfering with the swimming experience. It maintains neutral buoyancy before activation, and, when coupled with a CO2 cartridge, it weighs approximately 500 grams. After use, the wearer simply replaces the cartridge and neatly folds the airbags. Although the vest is reusable, it comes with a price tag of $195. Explore the world's coolest funicular railway. It's cool in every way, effortlessly handling steep slopes with its cylindrical cabins. Consider Stoos, a Swiss village that holds a world record. The funicular ascends a steep 47 degrees incline, navigating 2 bridges and 3 tunnels, reaching a total height of 743 meters. Notably, in 2007, Stoos had only 6 residents, but it has since transformed into a thriving ski resort. Beyond its stunning scenery, the funicular likely contributes to significant profits for the village. Wave energy has a significant potential. Some experts think it could fulfill up to 20% of the world's electricity demand. CorPower has unveiled the CorPower Boy, a wave-bobbing device that transforms linear motion into rotational motion, generating 300 kilowatts of power from a single buoy. Impressively, it is 4 to 5 times more efficient than numerous competitors. The buoy is anchored to maintain its position, and intriguingly, it produces the most power during evenings and winter when demand is high. It goes without saying that AI has played a crucial role in determining the optimal method for transmitting this energy to homes. Do you consider this solution as feasible? Meet AI Pin, a gadget nicknamed the smartphone killer by some publications. Humane, a company founded by former Apple employees, has created the AI Pin, gaining attention for its unique features compared to a standard iPhone. Weighing just 50 grams, the AI Pin is equipped with an 8-core processor, camera, microphone, motion sensors, and a laser projector. It goes beyond typical phone functions, offering the capability to project a 720-pixel image anywhere, even on your hand. Additionally, it features a built-in assistant powered by AI algorithms, enabling tasks such as guiding, translation, and more. The AI Pin is priced starting at $700,